back again. So this is the stock one in the sunlight. If I just sort of take it here, as you can see, barely see it, a little corner. Then I've done it already on the other one. So that's the LED bulb. Obviously much whiter, you can see it. But today I know it's a kind of interim thing because these are going to go full LED in a bit. So I'm going to buy a whole different rear lights and front headlights. Obviously a simple mod again. So these are the LED ones. So it's like one at the top. I tend to buy these ones with the LED types. So I know you get the little ones, but this type of like gel surface LED bulbs, I'll put the link in the description. They're perfect. Company not far from me, Argo City, they do it. So it's very simple. Pull that tab. That's 2 tabs there. Okay, let me get a bit more tucked in. The other side was a bit easier. The other one's a lot easier. Just pull that. Quickly show on this side as well. So what you want is this one here, so you can feel it. So if you just generate yourself, obviously indicator, brake lights all up there, but this one, that corner light, is this one here. So you go in here, it's the closest one here, in there. Take that in, stand the thing, turn it anti-clockwise and then clockwise to tighten it. You just turn it, it's simple. You hear the little click there, that means it's locked in or coming out. So I'll get these ones out. I'm probably going to have to, this one's the side's a pain. There we go. Right guys, top tip, just be aggressive in the middle with it. Can you do me a favour, can you turn it, the brake light, take it out of reverse? Because I'm trying to touch this and it's boiling.
Burning.
Yeah. Take this plastic little thing, yeah.
Hopefully it don't melt to the ball.
Well, he started doing that straight away. So yeah, always listen to Callum. He knows best.
I've been there and done that when you're wearing rubber gloves.
Yeah. Infused.
Yeah.
That's another reason why to go LED, at least you can touch it.
Yeah.
So yeah, very simple. It's this grey socket. Put the 2 pins. If you chuck it back into reverse, dude, we'll just check it. Yeah, perfect. That is all illuminated. Now it's happy days. And you can just genuinely just feel it. Come on. There we go, it's in. Turn it, click. There's that wonderful reassuring click. Both done now. Simple mod. And try to get the light. Why block out the light here? There you go. They're LED, happy days, simple mod. Trying to think how much they were. I think they were no more than like a $5 shipped. I jump down, there you go. Nice and white, happy days. People can see you when you're reversing as well. Given how tiny the lights are as well. Simple mod done, guys. Drop all the links in the description. Obviously put your car back together again. After that, click that in. Nope, that's the wrong way around, I think. Yeah. So that one, you want the bigger sticks going that way. There you go, happy days, job done. Obviously guys, everything there is going to be there in the link. So that's the LED reverse light mod done. 2-second job. No real tool needed, just need the bulbs. 5-second job. Give it a share, give it a like, drop some comments if you need to ask me anything. And as always guys, it's a mini adventure. Catch you later. Bye.